Hi, this is Mike with Waiver File. This is a quick video. We're going to go over how to export data to MailChimp that includes more than just the name and email address. So from your dashboard, first you just want to go to Reports. Then you're going to click on Choose Columns. Now in this case we wanted to get the participant's date of birth, which doesn't come across with the standard connector right now. So what I'm going to do is check off participant date of birth, but you can check any other fields that you might have custom fields for. So we definitely want to in this case get the sign name and the participant name and that date of birth. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Apply, run the report, and you have to change the dates in the demo account here. We just have some old data, so this is all test data in this case, but you get the idea. Go ahead and click on Run Report, gives you the data. Then we're going to click on Export to Excel, and it's going to download an Excel file for us. I'm going to go ahead and open up that file, and if you get the warning about downloading from the internet, you might have to click on Enable Editing. Then we'll go ahead and click on Save As, because we just want to make this in another format. So I'm going to save this to my Downloads folder, but I'm going to change the type to CSV, which is the file that MailChimp, the type of file that MailChimp is going to want. And click on Save. And it says, do you want to keep this format? Yes. So now we can jump over to MailChimp, log in, go to Lists, and we'll go ahead and click on the arrow next to List and click on Import. Then we're going to click on the CSV option. Alternatively, you can do copy and paste and just copy that data over, but I like to do the CSV option. So we'll click on Next, click Browse to go get our file. You can get it from our Downloads folder here. Here's the CSV we made. Open that up. Click Next to continue. And now we're going to match up those fields that came down in that file to where they have to go. So this is the signed first name. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on first name, save. And for each column you have to do this. So, and you're just going to run a review to make sure everything matches up. Signed last name, we're going to say that's the last name, save. Now we have participant first name, and you'll see I already have a participant first name set up in my particular list, so I'm going to run with that. And the same thing for last name, participant last name, save. Email address is picked up automatically. Save, good. Then we're going to click on, what else we have here? Address. So this is including some extra data. So I have an address field, great. Any fields that you set up will be here, and you can configure those. This is city, so we'll match that up. I don't have a city in this case, so we'll just click on skip. Then I have state. We'll also skip some of these other ones that we don't need. This is zip code, skip. Date signed, skip. Now, participant date of birth, this is the main one that we wanted here. So I had a birthday field that I created here, and that's where I wanted that to go. So I'll match that up and save it. And one or two more here, this link and the event name, we're going to skip those because I don't have fields for those. So we'll skip all the ones we don't need. Once that's all done, click on Next. It's just going to tell you how many that it's going to import, all the columns and everything. We're going to say that they're subscribed, and click on Import. And you'll see that it brings everything in. So if you're running custom campaigns that's basing it off of the participant's birth date, you'll have that data in here now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime at support@waiverfile.com or 877-791-9984. Thanks for using Waiver File. Have a great day.